page and I'll post it up. Okay.
Oh. You need us.
Okay, now go ahead and.
Wait, no, go up. No, go back, go back.
Do number 4, you guys. Okay.
Thank you.
What?
You got your group. Hey, you guys, I need you to work on this one.
That is 2 hours.
Okay? Help your group out. C or
I just saw you. Do you work? No, it's you. Do you work? I just saw you. Oh, you're doing
Are you on this? Did everyone get it?
Alexis knows it. She's at a friend's house.
What if he still goes anyways and then he sees it and be like,
Like, I'm a friend here.
she's saying that
I know the what. I'll tell you later. You don't follow science.
How you doing? How your group doing?
You were saying Kara? I was about to say Kara. I'm like, wait, Kara's not here. So bad. Don't follow science.
I just put on.
That's why. My mom says the same thing. She's like, oh, these kids, you always have shit to do. Well, kids need to be into it. Wait, Rosie's kid always want to do ice skating, and then like later in the year goes and tell her like, she's like, oh, I'm not
Let's
gonna
work on this though. I love talking about my kids and stuff, but let's
Okay.
come on. Let's go.
Yeah, but this is the only
Then you can go wide.
all on C. You found X, okay? Who found X?
I did. Alexis did.
Okay, what's the answer?
9.
What else did the question ask?
Find the measurement of y.
Okay, did you do that? Okay, most of you did not. What was my number?
9.
Okay, find the measurement of those. Okay, we found that X equals to 9, and I want you to. That's confusing. Okay? Make sure your group gets the same answer.
It's parallel.
I'm going to make sure your students are done with this first before I go to that one, okay? Make sure your group is done with that.
It's parallel when the lines are the same.
Explained it.
One has a little bit
Guys, if you're working on number 3, some of you are on number 3. Please look at your notes on this. Okay? Before I go over it. A lot of you are having a hard time with that one. So what is the measurement of y?
9.
No, the measurement of angle y, what is it?
28.
What is the measurement of y prime? What?
28.
Question for you. Is the reflection, when you look at yourself in the mirror, did you shrink? No. Then why did you shrink it? Why did it go from 28 degrees and then reflect, when you reflect, it became 23 degrees? Why did it shrink? Yeah. It's a reflection. Do your reflection change? No, they're congruent, right? So if y is 28, the measurement made of y is 28. What should the image be? 28. So what did you do?
Bless you.
Let's do that one. Okay? Before I help you on 3, I need you to look at your notes. I need you to find, what is it parallel? What is it perpendicular? What lesson was that, you guys? 10.4. 10.4. Okay? Oh, wow.
No. Oh, I remember now.
Stop. Thank you.
So we have to write 3, 2, 2. Let's do number 2.
You can't switch line, right?
Yeah, so like you want to do like that, and you be like that when you grab the
That's what is it called? Parallel.
Oh my god, I just let that go. Oh, I have it in my brain.
Okay, that's fine.
slope has to be same in the y.
I got the whole
Anything.
Well, I say, I mean,
Yes, look, just whatever you want. The slope has to be same in y.
Okay,
you just make sure the X is on.
okay, good. You're still stuck there? Okay, guys, let's look at this one. On number 3, a lot of you guys are stuck. Yes. Okay, good.
I got it.
On this page, good job. Let's look all the way around. Okay, let's look what's for an equation to be parallel, right? Yes. Equation to be parallel, the slope has to be what?
The same.
Slope is the same. Annotate, please. Linear equation. The slope is the same. How about perpendicular? Well, first of all, what is a perpendicular line?
It's right.
For the degrees, 90 and there.
Yes. Perpendicular, 90 degrees, cross, or intersect at 90 degrees. So how do we know it will be perpendicular? What is the slope?
The slope should be
Slope
the
is different, but that doesn't make it 90 degrees. Flip is reciprocal and opposite. Slope is reciprocal and opposite. Okay? Please write these things down. Perpendicular is when, parallel is when two lines that never meet, right? Perpendicular is lines that cross, and we measure it, and it equals to exactly 90 degrees. We know that as long as the slope is different, it will cross, right? Okay? So, to make this particular line, we just have to be opposite and reciprocal. So, what did you have to do to this equation first?
Had to add 9x.
Am I recording this? I hope I am. Okay.
You had to add 9x.
Can you please hold on? Let's get everyone attention. Okay. What is the math word we need to use? We need to do to this equation first. Okay, don't tell me what to do. What do we need to turn this equation into?
The lights off.
Into what? Oh, this recording. Okay.
So it's so innocent.
I hate technology. Because it always has glitches.
It does. I hate technology.
I didn't click it to go away, but it went
I'm gonna say
away.
nothing.
Really? Supposed to work well. Anyway. Okay, hold on. What is the vocabulary word we need to turn this into? Slope-intercept. Michael, what do we need to turn this into first? Okay? Vanessa? What do we need to turn this into?
Slope intercept.
Andrew, what do we need to turn it into? We need to make the equation into what? Slope-intercept. Okay? So how do we do that? Desiree. Destiny. Sorry.
That was like when she
came
here,
but then she left. Okay, Destiny. What do we need to do?
We have to add 9 to both
over 4x plus 9 over 4, or 1. Okay. Now what is our slope here?
3/4.
Our slope is 3 over 4, right? What is a slope that is parallel? Let's put this word, this line means parallel, right? Parallel slope. Okay, Ashley, what's a parallel slope? No. We know that parallel slope, the slope has to be what? The same. So 3 over 4. How about perpendicular slope? It's both reciprocal and opposite.
So for
Negative 4 over 3. Okay, so, and then the question is asking, write 2 linear equations, right? One that is parallel and the other is perpendicular. So, give me an equation with this. Give me an equation with this slope. Can you give me one? Yes.
Okay. For parallel, I put 4y.
Y equal.
Oh, well, y equals negative, y equals 3/4.
3/4 x, right? Yeah, and what else? Negative 2. Can I put negative 100?
Yes.
Yeah, anything.
Okay, very good.
Except negative 9.
Except
Oh, except 9.
number 9.
Because if you put 9, then it's going to be like on the same. It's going to be the same thing as
Actually, 409. You're on the right track. Okay? So get this table, give me another equation that would be parallel. Okay, this table, give me an equation that would be parallel. Plus 6. You guys understand this? Any question on this? Now give me an equation of a line that would be perpendicular. Okay, we'll start with this table. Give me an equation that would be perpendicular.
Y equals negative 4 plus
What? Does it matter?
no.
Let's put 1,000.
Alright.
Okay, any question on this? Now, the thing is, here it asks you to explain why each equation is parallel and perpendicular. You need to explain to me what makes this line parallel, what makes this one perpendicular. Okay, can you write that after we have discussed it? Okay, go ahead and do that. So make sure you explain it. Yes. I'm gonna wait. I want to make sure there is not anything on it. For all these questions. Whatever I don't cover here. Reciprocal and opposite, right? Has to be opposite also.
The one parallel.
Sure, on the test you
I know.
what you have there, and since complete sentence form.
No.
Understand? Okay. Understand that, right? Are we trying to explain this here in words? Yeah, well, it says so. Explain. That's what it says. If your table is done, go to number 5. No, it doesn't matter what. All we worry about is opposite. You need to write these things down. The problem is it's not writing it down. It's not only reciprocal. This starts out with our slow Z. Parallel is that same. Perpendicular is not just reciprocal, but opposite to it. Understand? Oh,
yeah, I heard about that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Saturday.
Look, I'm looking at for number 3. I'm looking for your explanation at this time. Okay, if your explanation is wrong, I'm coming back. Okay, most of you are working on number 5, which is great. But I'm coming around checking number 3, the back, making sure you explain it correctly so you know what it really means. Or we can go back and measure these. Remember how we measure them? Probably forgotten. But.
Yes, ma'am. You get. Oh, I'm not advanced, did you?
No.
I have
It's the y-intercept at the end of the
Yeah.
Yeah. So what else? Do you see the error?
Oh, and then it-
What's missing? What's missing?
Oh, that's.
oh,
You get.
Oh.
no, it's not.
I knew what you get.
We got
No, it
67.
isn't. I'm glad you identified. I know it down
I was like, I was looking at what was said.
there. Not like I can get
50.
Oh,
can identify.
No, I got one.
Yeah.
If you tell me, I'll tell you.
That's the y-intercept matters.
Oh, yes. Oh, everyone got bad score. Yeah, because it's hard.
That's right. Okay, I'm recording. So I'll put in question and I'll put on there. What? It's not my fault. I didn't make that test.
The test is hard. It's evil.
Okay, let's focus on this stuff. Let's just focus on this now. Not against your grade. Yeah, you know what? In the SUS, I've covered the whole entire textbook. Both, and I haven't. And it is.
Only can take that test like in May.
Benchmarks too. They're coming out.
So we get number
So let's
4.
focus on that. We're on question 5. I'll see on the internet. And I do. Yeah, but we're on question 5 now.
Next Friday. Yes.
Ready for it.
Yay.
Are they?
What did you get?
Okay.
Oh God.
Me.
Going on.
We're on number
No,
5.
yeah.
Yeah, you can always choose.
You just killed it.
Well, I'm gonna go with my squad. So,
I'll be normal.
squad.
You guys did number 1. I mean, like,
Um,
stop. I know how to
Okay, a lot of you are gonna get confused on this. If choose your numbers for number 5 to making the table. Go by 2s. No, by 5. Let me solve this first.
I want to go back to because who wants to buy like $30?
Yeah, go by 2s. What? I'm 5. Let me go by 2s.
I haven't even started.
Okay, well, go by 5 and see what happens. You know, this is the only class that gets back to my I do this at after takes it home, and they feel so guilty. They bring it back. Not my children. Pass to my children, they can lose it. I never get it. Wait.
Oh, there's a 2. Oh.
Talk to my children. Bring it over here. Bring your chair over here and talk to Michael. Michael looks like he's on the way. What are you forgetting here?
Go over.
Yeah. Okay, most of you got, from looking at this, most of you got the equations correct. Y equals to 10x plus 30 and y equals to 15x. Okay?
If it is somewhat closely related to 3.
Wait, just what comment?
Yeah.
Do you have 3 erasers?
They use that if I can find it. Okay, most of you got the equations correct, right? Yes. No problem with that. Excellent. Now, choosing the correct number is an art.
This is Miss Hogan's class.
Now, I'm interested in question D. You guys see question D? Some of you are getting it right. Remember, the table doesn't need to be perfect. Just draw. Okay, if you make a table.
Some people here really care about everything being perfect.
Oh, but it takes too much time.
No.
Perfection sometimes takes too much time.
Perfection matters.
Okay, most of you. Okay, good. Pascal is good.
No, just do it.
I was right. If it where you going with 6
Oh, well, I like it like
Just to let you know, as a teacher who's looking at it, I don't know where this goes. But a table needs to make sense. Oh, wait.
Oh, I get it.
It doesn't make sense to me.
You'll never be.
Can't go any further than 0. Okay, so it.
That's not what it is. You know, I don't like coffee.
Nice coffee. Oh, it's perfect. Why did you erase it?
Miss Wilcox told you. Miss Wilcox, you don't suffer the perfect whatever stand erasing something. They always bring the Asian phobia thing up. So
It's okay,
go
Emery.
see
I didn't look at a book. It was perfect, Emery.
well, she was saying something first. Tracy, you always bring about being part of being Asian.
Guys,
Mexicans also have the problem. I don't even see my own brother.
What?
they're just being
No, every time, almost every conversation, she always bring about being Asian now. And my aunt also thought I was Asian. She used to call me Mulan. I was like,
Okay, let's focus
it
on
was just a
that.
weird thing.
Okay, guys. Are we done yet? No.
We're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done.
I'm interested in question D.
There's two. There's two. There's two.
Oh, come on. You guys need to know question D. Don't tell me you don't know how to answer question D. I'm going to die.
Actually, you didn't teach us what.
I do teach it to you every day.
What did you teach us?
Question D. It's every day.
She's scaring me.
Look at question D.
Okay, Miss Wilcox.
Okay, let's forget the table.
No. I just did all this. It was
Okay,
beautiful.
forget the table. Most of you know how to do the table. You got no problem doing the table. Okay, question D. You know how to label. This is the number of items, right? Number of chocolate. Correct? Did you label that correctly? And this is the money, the dollar amount, the cost, or whatever it is, the profit. Correct? Did you label them correctly? The independent and dependent variable. Okay? Now the question is, besides using a table, describe another way one can graph. Besides using this table, what is one way, and I've taught you over and over how to graph. I don't ever use the table. Rarely ever. Jade? Then? What's another way? Rise over run.
I did that.
Right. Okay, what does she mean by that? Hey, stop with your table. Stop with your table. Please pay attention. Pay attention. Stop.
Yes.
She said beside the table, we can use rise over run. What does that mean? What's that? Slope.
Intercept.
Intercept. What's the intercept? Okay.
30.
What's the intercept here?
30.
30. So you can graph. So here, besides using a table, another way to graph is using in a complete sentence, okay? Slope, intercept, what? Form. All of you put it together. Slope, intercept, form. So, example, y equals 10x
No, it's 30x.
plus 30.
Oh my gosh.
What's the slope here? What's the y-intercept? 30. Can you graph that? Go up how many? 10 over how many? 1. See that? Have I taught this?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said I did not.
Is this over?
Yes. Yes. Let's review. Look at your nose. Look at your nose.
What's up to what?
I'll post it. I'll post it. I'll post it. I'll post it. I'll post it.
Yes.
Yeah. Double dip. That is always awesome.
Always see you next week. Last day is Thursday next week.
Is 14 out of 20 something good? The test?
Not bad at all. Almost half. That is good. That is actually very good. That is very good. The average person will probably get 20% or 18%.
I got.
You're above average.
Jordan, what
We are testing. Good test. Oh, okay. Tomorrow.
You got 21, right? Then I got 42. I got 40 something.
I got like 20. I'll tell you my score. Let's see it's you. See you squared.
Not charging. Why is my iPhone?
Glad I'm not a rat. Wait, you waiting for
Yes. How are you? Wonderful. Yes.
Yeah, please go to the bathroom for girl reasons. Please.